discussion. The topic to be discussed today is management graduates are more interested in salaries and jobs rather than management as a course. So let's start the discussion.
Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jagan Mohan. Here our topic is management graduates are more interested in salaries and jobs rather than management is a course. Here this topic is related to all the management students and graduation students. This is not a, as per my content, this is not a issue, this is a problem. The major problem the graduates are facing is whether the is going to after completion of their course getting to a job or a business. There are two ways, or getting the job or salary. Most of the students are went to salaries, or the most of the people eagerly waiting for jobs. This is a problem with the graduates facing a lot of problems. This is an issue. This is a problem. Major problem is facing the management graduates. This is my point.
Being a management graduate, he should learn what skills required to be what skills required for the better management. But today, if you observe, all people want to have a luxury life. For having a luxury life, we need salary and we need better package. So after completion of graduation, management graduation, all people are facing on salaries, how much salary we are going to get. But they are not concentrating how much knowledge we have and how much skills are effective we have. But they are not concentrating on that. Always they are thinking about salary. They complete graduation, it is good. But they are not checking themselves what skills they have and what knowledge they have about the management. Being a management, he has to lead the people, guide the people and motivate the people. But he is not checking himself. Can I lead the people? Can I motivate the people? All this they are neglecting all these things.
Management students are management is nothing but a PG course. So management graduates are mainly focused on management course. So when they focus on management course, automatically they will get a nice opportunity in jobs and salaries. Rather than they focused on if jobs and salaries means they have lack of communication skills and skills etc. So management students are mainly focused on management course, so they can manage in their life everything nicely.
Yeah, it is absolutely right. Nowadays, generation is because nowadays young generation is attracted more towards more and more. They definitely interested in jobs. Fulfill only strictly the healthy package, good package only matters to the generation. For example, a guy after doing a MBA, after doing engineering, will go MBA. Why? Because it's go. They will know after doing MBA, they will get good healthy package. Even joining the company, they strictly to the company 1 or 2 years, more than 1 or 2 years. It will some other companies offer to a bit to the comfort the salary rather than strictly that one of the.
Yeah, Pramod, you are saying about package. Thrice you answer. But package is nothing matter. If management student he completed a management course means he can do anyway as Jagan said. If business or job. For everything he need a management skills. For example, we completed a program like FAPSI. There KTR has done a management course. Then what he is doing? Politics. Management is a course. He should learn the management course. He should not focus on salaries and jobs.
Yeah, we should learn management as a course. Unless we have skills of management, how can we get better salary and promotion? If we have skills of management, we need to improve our communication skills and organizing skills, all the skills which are required for effective management. Then only if we have skills, automatically we can get better salary and promotion even. And but people are making money, right? So management graduates are also concentrating on how to make the money. When they can go for business and they can go for organization which offer them better salary. But they are not thinking whether we are capable or not for the job in the organization. If they are not capable, then how can they can get salary? So they must concentrate on skills, how to improve their skills.
Yeah, absolutely correct. But this is not only a problem with the student side or graduation side. This is also a problem with the education system. In the education system, for example, there is a famous B schools or MBA college is there in our state or in our country. But they are also providing a lot of facilities and lot of placements. They are attracting the students by placements. Not only they are providing the best quality education, they are not only saying that we are giving the best opportunity and giving the placements after 2 years and giving the placement of 5 lakhs of salary, 6 lakhs of salary, a huge amount. But they didn't tell that I am giving the best quality of education. That's why the students are mainly concentrated on jobs. They are eagerly waiting for jobs. The other point of view, the problem with parents also. The mental pressure of the pressure is built on that fellow because that guy is on that time, the 24-25 years on that time. That fellow is physically, the mentally pressure is built up on that person. That's why they prefer to jobs on that time.
Okay, sir. First job. Any graduate person first job. First to not communication skills, not anything skills. That's why how can get job?
Management students, as Jagan said, all the management students are mainly focusing on jobs for mental stress. If a management student should doing the management course means he is doing a PG postgraduate, means he should manage everything. He should manage the mental stress also as equally. So management course knowing everything, so he can manage everything in life. So mainly focus on the management course only, not jobs or salaries. If only he need only jobs and salaries, means why did he need only do management course? He can do IT side, more suitable jobs and more salaries he can earn.
Yeah, I agree with Deepak and Jagan. As Jagan said, there is drawback of education system also. All colleges and universities if we take some affiliated college, they are only mainly concentrating on how to pass out the students, but they are not checking whether the students have skills which are required for a suitable job or not. If they concentrate on the student skills, then their students can get better jobs. Unless otherwise they have efficient skills, they can't get the jobs. Even though they are expecting a higher salary and job, but without skills they can't get.
As a management student, we have some alternatives is there, like business. See, all graduates are looking for jobs and salaries, but there is another alternative is there. As a management student, he know about all management skills, means corporate dignity and corporate governance. All those already learned in the management, but he didn't concentrate on his business. See, all of them, but he's working under the one company. He's know all the subject and he's know all, but he's working as a employment as under one company, but he didn't establish one business as per his own. His one alternative is there.
He is not only an employee; he is a manager. He should manage the company. So
Okay, sir. It's very correct. Okay. After any business or job, first skills get young. After business or job, they get.
Yeah, but you said the skills are restricted only for the company only. But in your business, your own business, your skills are unlimited. But for example, you are established your business, your risk is more than that as per your salary and job. Here risk is more. But if you make more risk, you get more profits on that time. Think that matters.
For avoiding that problem, by doing course only, we should apply our knowledge, whatever knowledge we get from our course. If you observe in MBA course, there are so many subjects which are related to the management. Whatever they learn from the subject, they should try to apply that knowledge in He should apply his knowledge by imagining he is as a manager. Then only after establishing business and after joining in a job, he can perform better. I think.
From my point of view, students should not go in for salaries and jobs. If they go to salaries and jobs, they not eligible for doing a management course. Management is a course that he should manage everything. So he should not focus on salaries and jobs. So he can.
Absolutely correct, Deepak. First management skills are there. After job, money is always already coming. That's why management skills is better. First. My point of view, management skills first preference.
Yeah, it depends upon person's perceptions and ideas. He should decide what he wants from his job. There are some applications in OB like job commitment and job consistent. First of all, if management graduate got any job in placement, but we can't give guarantee for him how many years he will be in job. He can in 2 years after 2 years he can shift to other job. We can't say that he will be stable in that job only. He may shift to other job. He is wasting all his time, all his life by shifting from one job to other job. But he is not concentrating what he has learned till now. He is totally neglecting his career. By shifting to other company also, then totally culture is different. That organization culture is different and new organization culture is different. Then how can he apply his application? If he stick to one job only, then he can get the knowledge. What task I have to perform in my job.
Yeah, management is. We are talking about management. But what is management? Management means you should have some skills like planning, leading, controlling, staffing. These all skills he should be there. But he mentally he prepared for only salaries and jobs. Means where did he got where he can eligible to management course? For management graduate is not eligible.
Yeah, risk taking and decision making is also the main important in the management. See, decision making is taking the best choice various alternatives. Here the matter is if you get more knowledge on the subject, you are after getting the job is like a moonwalk, like cakewalk. Instead of doing all those, instead of eagerly waiting for jobs and salaries, go with subject depth.
Yeah, Jagan, I agree with you. He management student should learn first a management course, so he can get anywhere he will got the job automatically. But he focus on only job means he will not get the job because he focused mentally job only. So he didn't have any skills knowledge. So management students are mainly focused on course only.
So if you observe, some people who are experienced in organization, they are also learning management as a course. Then being a management graduate, he should learn management as a course. But people are learning management as a course. If you observe, there are some people who are having 20 years experience, still they are learning what is management, how to manage, and how can I improve my management skills. But management graduates are not thinking. Today's generation is not thinking what they need to give to the organization, how they can give their best performance to the organization, what skills required for that. They are not thinking. So first of all, we should learn management as a course. Then only we can sustain that job.
See, today education system also, see for example, at the second term, third term, the companies, the education system providing internship programs for graduation students. See, when the graduation in the internship program, the person will do internship program. For example, the stipend of 4,000 to 5,000. But the company offers 30,000, 40,000 next year. The person went to the second year. The person didn't went to the second year college. The person went to the job. They lost their career on that time. He went to only 30,000 of salary side, but he didn't went to the second year college. It is a loss of career. This is the mistake from the educational institution also.
I agree with you. our mainly in AP, the education system also became like a business, like only money matter. They are saying in management colleges mainly they are saying first enter into college only they are saying the placement is guaranteed with salary also. So management students are mentally fixed for only salaries, not for a course. So they are not focusing about the course, only they are focusing about only salaries. So government also should take action about own study also for students.
Yeah, this is the problem with 50-50%. Means the 50% wrong with government side and 50% as a student point of view.
Education
also 50% and student point of view 50%. Here the student point of view thinks student point of 50%. Even the education system is like that only. But students is mainly focus on subject only. See, don't go with another alternatives. Go part-time jobs, like not like that. First you concentrate on studies first. Means management program or BTech or anything. First you concentrate on studies, then afterwards, after you getting the skills, go with a business or go with as your salary or job. After getting the knowledge only, or getting the placement is very easy and cakewalk.
Yeah, management.
As Deepak said, why students are more interested in management course? Why? Because after doing degree, they get job, but low salary, 15,000 to 20,000. Why management course are doing after MBA? For example, PGDM. For example, PGDM we will complete management course. We know technical skills, conceptual skills. We know technical skills, conceptual skills, management, leading, staffing, controlling. That's why interesting. After MBA, we will get a good some salary, loyalty life, comfortable life, 30,000 to 40,000. That's why students are more interested in management course.
Yeah, but there is an issue. See, salaries are okay, but at the age of 24-25, there is the outer influence is also impact on us. See, there is a parents mental pressure. On 24 to 26 years, you must get a job on that time. The mental pressure is built up on you. On that time, what will you do? There is two options for us. There is a go to job or the business. That is an issue there.
But as per your point of view, we go down business, but we want to first of all investment. Where we get investment?
Banks are providing the investments and loans. So the students are go from banks or insurance.
Okay, but banks is giving loans, but business is not success means business is lost. Why you?
He is a management student. He is definitely successful.
Yeah, you see,
See, even though you are working as a employment also, then there is a involved in the risk. See, if you not perform well, automatically you are moved from that post.
yeah, you go another company, you try it. But
How many times you can do?
one or two times, but in business you can get lost or in life.
Management skills learn that only. See, if you get more risk, automatically you get more profits. See, management skills, those only called management skills. Risk making, decision making, those are the management skills. If you learn much then
Finally, I concluding my topic. So in our topic, I mainly support for management course only, because management students are management graduates are mainly should focus on management course only. If they supposed to support for encourage the salaries and jobs, they lack of knowledge, so they did got the jobs for real time. So they are mainly focused on management course only. So automatically their job will come for their home only. So I will support for management course.
I want to conclude that instead of expecting more salaries and promotion, first of all, management graduates must learn management as a course. Then only management means getting things done by others. When they have efficient skills, then only they can get the things done by others, and they can give their best to the organization. If they give their best performance, then automatically salary will come and promotion also.
per my concern, doing management as a course, don't like another alternative. See, business is a business and another alternatives is okay, but do course as a course, management course. Then job and other salaries are automatically getting automatically is a cakewalk.